हेलो स्टूडेंट्स। सो इस क्लास में हम लोग थोड़ा एमसीक्यू प्रैक्टिस करेंगे। ठीक है, एमसीक्यू प्रैक्टिस करेंगे। हमारा जो अगला एग्ज़ाम है वो जो फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर एग्ज़ाम होगा नवंबर महीने में, तो उस एग्ज़ाम के लिए थोड़ा एमसीक्यू प्रैक्टिस करेंगे। तो आज हम लोग ये टॉपिक चुना, रिफ्रैक्शन ऑफ लाइट थ्रू लेंस। ठीक है, इस टॉपिक से कुछ एमसीक्यू प्रैक्टिस करेंगे। सो टाइम को बर्बाद ना करके चल जाते हैं फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन में। सो हमारा फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन क्या है? हमारा फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज दिस। ठीक है, तो यह तुम्हारा टाइमर, और टाइमर को स्टार्ट कर देते हैं। ठीक है, टाइमर स्टार्ट हो गया। चलो बताओ फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन का आंसर क्या होगा। पावर ऑफ लेंस दिया हुआ है -4D। यू हैव टू फाइंड फोकल लेंथ एंड नेचर ऑफ लेंस। 4 ऑप्शन, 4 ऑप्शन दिया हुआ है। 4 ऑप्शन में एक ऑप्शन सही होगा। कौन सा ऑप्शन सही होगा? जल्दी से जल्दी चूज करो। टाइम बचा हुआ है 10 सेकेंड। ठीक है, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Time's up, students. So let's see first of all the correct answer. So our correct answer is -0.25 meter, and the nature of lens is concave. So let's see the explanation. So here power is given. How much? Power equal to -4D. Okay. We know the formula of power equal to 1 by F, and F we take in meter. And then we will get the unit of power is diopter. So here diopter is given. Okay, so interchange the position of P and F. We will get F equal to 1 by P. So F का यूनिट क्या होगा? मीटर, बिकॉज P का यूनिट है diopter. Okay, so 1 by -4D. So 1 by 4 means 0.25. So -0.25 meter. Okay, 0.25 meter. So -0.25. So -0.25 टू ऑप्शन में है. Now this minus sign tells that the nature of lens is concave. Nature of lens is concave because focal length is negative, means focal length lies to the left side of lens. To the left side of lens, on this side. Focal length means which focus? We will consider second focus. Okay, we will consider second focus. So ये हो गया फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Okay, can I go to the next? So ये है तुम्हारा नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन में क्या दिया हुआ है? कन्वेक्स लेंस. बिफोर दैट आई एम प्लेइंग द टाइमर. यस, सो क्या है? कन्वेक्स लेंस फोकस अ रियल पॉइंट साइज इमेज एट फोकस द ऑब्जेक्ट इज प्लेस्ड. ओके, कन्वेक्स लेंस फोकस अ रियल पॉइंट साइज इमेज एट फोकस. इट इज रियल इमेज, इट इज पॉइंट साइज इमेज, इट इज ऑब्टेनिंग एट फोकस. सो बोलो कौन सा ऑप्शन सही होगा? 4 ऑप्शन दिया हुआ है. ये तुम्हारा टाइम बचा हुआ है 4 सेकेंड, 3 सेकेंड, 2 सेकेंड, 1 सेकेंड, एंड टाइम्स अप. टाइम्स अप स्टूडेंट्स. लेट्स सी द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज एट इंफिनिटी. एट इंफिनिटी. ओके, सो कन्वेक्स लेंस, दिस इज कन्वेक्स लेंस. सो दिस इज कन्वेक्स लेंस. ओके, कन्वेक्स लेंस. So when rays are coming from infinity, that means parallel to each other, and we are taking parallel to the principal axis also, because image is here point size. So when the rays are incidenting parallel to the principal axis, after refraction they passes through a point. After refraction they passes through a point. That point, okay, that point is called focus, F2, right? So here it is real image because object is on this side. Object is to the left of lens, and image we are getting to the right of lens. So it is real image. Okay, it is point size image. So this is true, and it is forming at focus. This is also true. So where the object is placed, the object is placed at infinity. Okay, you will get this ray diagram in your book. Just open your book. Go to page number 113. Go to page number 113, figure 5.30. Figure 5.30. Look at that diagram. Rays are coming from infinity parallel to each other, parallel to the principal axis also, and they are meeting at a point on the principal axis to other side of lens, that is focus. Okay, so correct option will be D here. Can I go to the next? Yeah, so the next question is this. So ये लो तुम्हारा टाइमर स्टार्ट हो गया. Which of the following can make parallel beam of light, okay, when light forms a point source, okay, is incident on it. Light is coming from point source, okay, light is coming from point source, and after refraction it will be parallel to each other. So 4 options: convex lens, concave, both convex concave, none of the above. So times up. So करेक्ट ऑप्शन देख लेते हैं पहले. करेक्ट ऑप्शन होगा कन्वेक्स लेंस. करेक्ट ऑप्शन होगा कन्वेक्स लेंस. सो थोड़ा डायग्राम को देख लेते हैं. ये है कन्वेक्स लेंस, ओके, ये है कन्वेक्स लेंस. दिस इज प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस, ओके. सो light from a point source. So if we take a point here, okay, light is coming from the point source. If we take a point here, light is incidenting in this way, okay, from this source. This is source here, this is source, point source. And if this source lies at focus, which focus? First focus, then after refraction it will be parallel to each other. After refraction it will be parallel to each other and parallel to the principal axis also, okay. It is not mentioned where we are keeping the object, so we'll take the object at focus, okay, because we have to make parallel beam. So we'll keep object at focus, okay, and rays after refraction will be parallel to each other and parallel to the principal axis. This ray diagram you will get in page number 106. Page 106, figure 510A. Figure 510A, okay, 510A, convex lens. There you will get this ray diagram. This distance is called focus, first focus, f1, okay. So this is the ray diagram and this is the correct answer. Understood? Going to the next question, okay. So this is your next question. I am playing the timer. Yes, so this is your timer. Start हो गया. 27, 25, okay. If f is the focal length of a concave lens, f is the focal length of a concave lens, okay, and image distance from a concave lens forms optical center always become, okay. F is the focal length of a concave lens, then image distance for concave lens from optical center always becomes. चारों ऑप्शन. 2 सेकंड बचा है, 1 सेकंड. टाइम्स अप. सो देख लेते हैं पहले करेक्ट ऑप्शन को. करेक्ट ऑप्शन होगा, करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन डी. करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन डी. करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन डी. ठीक है. कैसे? सो एक, दिस इज द concave lens, okay, and suppose here the rays are coming from infinity. First case, rays are coming from infinity. Infinity means parallel incidence. So they will diverge in this way, and if we extrapolate them in the backward direction, they will meet at some point, right? They will meet at some point. So that point is called second focus, right? F2. So when object is at infinity, image is formed at f2, okay. That means image distance is f. In this case, image distance is f, right? Image distance is f when object is at infinity. Come to second case, when object is not at infinity, object is near to the lens. Then what will happen? One ray parallel, it will diverge in this direction. Another ray will take through optical center, okay, through optical center it will pass, okay, without any deviation. If we extrapolate this in the backward direction, they will meet at this point, so this is the image position. Now in this case, this distance become less than f. Always. So for this, go to page number 117, okay, page number 117. One box is there. 117, one box is there. 2 points are there. 1, 2. First point at infinity. This is the case at infinity. When object is at infinity, then position of image is at focus. Written in the second column. And second case, when position of object is between infinity and optical center. This is optical center, and infinity is anywhere between infinity and optical center. So this is the object position. Then image will be formed between focus and optical center. Nicely written in the second column. Image will be formed between focus and optical center, between focus and optical center, that means less than m. now ऑब्जेक्ट पोजीशन दिया नहीं है यहाँ पे, राइट, ऑब्जेक्ट पोजीशन कहाँ है, कहाँ पे ऑब्जेक्ट है, ये नहीं दिया क्वेश्चन में. सो दोनों केस को कंसीडर करना है और दोनों केस को जोड़ के क्या मिलेगा, लेस देन इक्वल टू एफ. दोनों केस को जोड़ के क्या मिलेगा, लेस देन इक्वल टू एफ. सो करेक्ट ऑप्शन होगा दिस. समझ में आया, समझ में आया. ये बॉक्स में 117 पेज नंबर 117 में एक बॉक्स दिया हुआ है तुम्हारा बुक में, वो बॉक्स में अच्छे से लिखा हुआ है, ठीक है. सो अगला क्वेश्चन में चलते हैं, ठीक है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, आई एम इरेजिंग दिस. सो दिस इज आवर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. सो टाइमर को स्टार्ट कर देते हैं. ओके, यस. सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द डायग्राम शोइंग द करेक्ट पाथ ऑफ रे आफ्टर पासिंग थ्रू द लेंस. चारों डायग्राम दिया हुआ है 1 2 3 4. कौन सा डायग्राम सही है, ठीक है, कौन सा डायग्राम सही है, ठीक है. तो ये होगा हमारा लास्ट क्वेश्चन आज के लिए, ठीक है, लास्ट क्वेश्चन. ओके, 7 मिनट 7 सेकेंड बचा है. 6 सेकेंड, 5 सेकेंड, 4 सेकेंड, 3 सेकेंड, 2 सेकेंड, 1 सेकेंड और टाइम्स अप. टाइम्स अप स्टूडेंट्स, टाइम्स अप स्टूडेंट्स. करेक्ट ऑप्शन क्या होगा, करेक्ट ऑप्शन होगा ऑप्शन डी. करेक्ट ऑप्शन होगा ऑप्शन डी. ओके, दैट मीन्स फिगर 1 2 एंड 4, फिगर 1 2 एंड 4 ये तीनों फिगर करेक्ट है. फिगर 3 इज नॉट करेक्ट. So let's see, okay, let's see the explanation. So all the four figures are convex in nature, right? This is convex, this is convex, this is convex, this is also convex. Now in the first case the rays are coming parallel, so this is parallel rays, okay, parallel to the principal axis. When the ray is parallel to the principal axis and incidenting on a convex lens, after refraction what happens, passes through second focus. So it is passing through second focus, okay, it is passing through second focus. So this figure is correct. Come to second figure. Here the incident ray is passing through optical center. Here the incident rays is passing through optical center, and rays is passing through optical center means there will be no deviation. It will go along the straight path, okay, without any deviation, okay. And because the lens we considered here thin lens, okay, because we considered thin lens, so this diagram is also correct. This diagram is also correct. Come to the third diagram. Here ray is passing through first focus, incident ray is passing through first focus, right? And what happens when incident ray passes through first focus, then after refraction it becomes parallel, it becomes parallel. But here it is passing through f2, which is wrong. Here it is passing through f2, which is wrong, so this diagram is wrong. And diagram 4, passing through f1, incident ray is passing through f1, and after refraction it is parallel. After refraction it is parallel, that means this diagram is also correct. This diagram is also correct. So correct option is this one. Figure 1, figure 2 and figure 4 are the correct figure, okay. सो ये हमारा 5 क्वेश्चन आज के लिए फ्रॉम द चैप्टर रिफ्रैक्शन ऑफ लाइट थ्रू लेंस, ओके. आई होप यू ऑल हैव अंडरस्टूड, ओके. आई होप you are getting the difficulty or the complexity of MCQ, what kind of MCQ you can get in your first semester board exam, okay. And I hope you have enjoyed, okay. I hope, keep watching. Thank you everyone.